What up again, you guys? This is Teacher Gail, your kindergarten teacher here in Thailand. And today is still preparation day bago magpasukan. Kaya I'll be working on my door design. Kasi of course, first impression matters, di ba? First impression tapos pagpasok mo gantong mukha ng classroom. So going back, I wanted it to be bright, fun, and super kid-friendly. And yes, mga classroom supplies sila na may mga happy faces ready to welcome our kids this coming pasukan. I started designing them digitally, then print and cut time na. So if you're wondering kung anong material yung pinagdikitan ko ng aking mga printed materials, those are called sticker film. And for me, mas madali at mabilis siyang gamitin kaysa sa laminating film, lalo na kapag ganito kalalaki yung mga cutouts mo. Sobrang nag-e-enjoy talaga ako while setting this up kasi na-challenge ako kung paano ko siya ilagay dahil sa mga butas at mga pinagdikitan ng mga dating design nitong door na to. And it's true that being a kindergarten teacher is not just about teaching ABCs. It's about building the heart of the classroom. We teach the kids how to be kind, how to be proud of their little wins, and all of these decors and printables is not just for show. It's for them. Para masabi nilang, teacher, I love it here. Para maging excited silang matuto. Kaya yes, this door may look cute, but actually it's a welcome sign to a world where they can grow. And yup, lahat po ng printables na to ay available on my website that we will launch soon. Abangan nyo. Padayon lang ta mga teachers.